You know that person who spends months at the gym, loses the weight, gets in shape, everyone compliments them, and 3 months later they're worse off than before they even started. That person exists by the thousands, and there's a good chance you've already been that person, or you're about to be. You spent months waking up early, turning down invitations, giving up food you loved, training even on the days you didn't even want to get out of bed. And it worked. You looked in the mirror and saw the result. The body you always wanted was right there. People started complimenting you, asking what you did, looking at you differently. And in that moment you felt it. That feeling of mission accomplished. Then came the thought that comes to almost everyone. I can relax now. I earned it. So you relaxed. You went back to eating the things you had cut out. Started training less frequently. Started leaving for tomorrow what could have been done today. At first, nothing changed, and that gave you even more confidence that everything was fine. But then, weeks later, your pants started feeling tight again. The belly that had disappeared started coming back. And before you even fully realized what was happening, you were back to square one, sometimes even worse than before you started. This happens to the majority of people who achieve results, and it happens for one reason only. They thought their body would maintain the shape on its own once the effort stopped. And the body doesn't work that way. It doesn't hold on to your result as a reward. It responds to what you do right now. When the stimulus disappears, the muscle goes away. When the diet falls apart, the weight comes back. It's not unfair, it's biology. But here's the point that changes everything. Maintaining your shape is much easier than building it. You don't need to repeat everything you did to get there. The effort you use to build the result is not the same effort needed to keep it. And that's exactly where most people go wrong, because either they keep the same intense pace until they burn out and quit everything, or they stop completely thinking they can get away with it. The right path is in the middle. When it comes to training, if you were working out 5 or 6 times a week to lose weight, 3 times a week is now enough to maintain what you achieved. Your muscle needs stimulus to not disappear, but it doesn't need daily overload. 3 solid workouts a week hold the result and still leave you with the energy to stay consistent for much longer. When it comes to eating, you no longer need a restrictive diet, you need balance. Eat well during the week, give yourself flexibility on the weekend, and don't turn one slip into a lost week. The difference between people who maintain their shape and people who lose it is exactly that. The ones who maintain it aren't perfect, they're consistent. And the most important thing of all, change the way you see this. As long as you treat training and healthy eating as a temporary sacrifice to hit a goal, you will always stop when you think you've arrived. When you start treating it as a normal part of your life, just like showering and brushing your teeth, everything changes. You stop wondering if you'll feel like it today. It's just what you do. Now do me a favor, save this video. Not because I'm asking, but because the next time you feel yourself sliding back into old habits, you're going to need to hear this again. And comment one thing down below. Have you ever reached the result you wanted and lost it all afterward? Write yes or no. I want to see how many people here have lived through this, because that number is going to surprise you.